Introducing GroxLab AI, a powerful, never-seen-before AI system that gives you lifetime access to the most advanced Grok models, all in one place, including Grok 4.2, Grok 4.1 Fast, Grok 4, Grok 3, Grok 3 Fast, and Grok 3 Mini, plus access to SuperGrok business and enterprise-level capabilities without paying monthly fees. Now let's jump into a quick demo. Once you log in, you'll see a clean, simple, and easy-to-use interface. Everything is organized, so you can get started instantly. Let's begin with the core feature, Grok AI Chat. Click on New Conversation and choose the Grok model based on your needs. Each model has different strengths and capabilities. For this demo, let's select Grok 4. Now just start typing your prompt, and instantly you'll get highly detailed, high-quality responses. You'll notice the difference: better understanding, better accuracy, and more powerful outputs compared to typical AI tools. And here's the best part. You can switch between different Grok models inside the same conversation to get even better results. We've also included a built-in prompt library, so you can apply ready-made prompts and save time. Now let's move to another powerful feature, Grok Writer. Here, you'll find ready-to-use templates for content creation, like ads, emails, blogs, and social media posts. Just pick a template, select your model, and generate professional content in seconds. Next, the Grok Image Generator. Create stunning high-quality 4K images with just a simple prompt. Perfect for marketing, thumbnails, and social media. And finally, the Grok Voice Generator. Generate professional voiceovers for your videos, podcasts, and presentations instantly. So inside GroxLab AI, you get everything you need. Multiple AI models, smart switching, prompt library, content creation, image generation, and voiceovers, all inside one powerful dashboard. Thanks for watching. See you inside GroxLab AI.